Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving into our real world projects or client projects that involve predicting economic news relevance. So it's basically text classifier machine learning projects. This video we will walk you through the demonstrating a work requirement and a solution approach we have developed. So you can learn and implement it yourself. If you get stuck, we offer end-to-end project implementations or live projects guidance sessions. So let's get started with the project requirement. So let's talk about the project detail. So project is basically relevance classifier or text classifier. It's basically doing the predicting economic news relevance. So if you go to detail of this project, so this project are using data set that is called economic news. It's a basically CSV format or Excel sheet data in the form of Excel sheet or CSV format, that is not mandatory. Data set can be downloaded under Canvas. So yeah, that is a different things. So like we have given by the client, we haven't have access of this one. So basically I'm just brief. So you don't have to worry about this one, what are the where the data location is available. So let's go to the requirement part. So you are required to build text classifier in as a project. Main purpose of this project is to build text classifier that can predict whether a given text is relevant or not. Okay, so the target column is called relevant. Inside this data set has some field. Okay, and in that field one field has called relevance, that is called target column. Okay, so that is going to help to predict text classifier. Okay, either text classifier means we have to predict the text is relevant or not. Okay, it has three values: number of no values 6571, yes values, and not sure. Okay, so the relevance has three value. Okay, yes, no, and not sure. Turn this into a binary classifier classification problem, yes or no, by deleting row whether relevance, and by deleting rows whether relevance where relevance equal to not sure. Okay, so we have to delete this column where we are not sure about data is not accurate. So basically we have to use binary classification, because two class we have to detect yes or no. The rest of the when we are doing data cleaning or processing, we can delete this data. Okay, this row we can delete because this is confused data, right? Because we are not sure, so that will not going to help in text classification, right? So we are going to extract that one or remove from the our data set before going to training on that. So pre-process the data to get reasonable accuracies. Okay, try the following algorithm: naive Bayes, logistic regressions, or random forest. Also we use line text explainer to identify the words that are most likely to predict relevance, that is yes versus not relevance, means not raw. It is basically no. So and this mentions like you can use notebook. Okay, so that is not relevance here, but just you can submit your code in normal Python script as well, but Jupyter notebook is very good to markup cell and code cell they are given, so you can write down comment and as well solution as well, and also good visualization in the same place, you can see everything. So what was the solution approaches? What we have approaches, this one how we develop. So let me talk about brief about this solution approach. In this project we aim to build a text classifier to predict the relevance of economic news articles. Here is the overview of methods and technique used in our solution. So data pre-processing, we loaded the data from provided Excel file economic _ news XLS, removed row with labels not sure in the relevance column to convert problem into binary classification task. Okay, so basically is a binary classification task. Applied label encoding to convert target labels into numerical format. Okay, and the other data processing task. Split data into training and testing using train test split method. Okay, scikit-learn inside sklearn this method is available. Text representations employed TF IDF, term frequency and inverse document frequency vectorization technique to convert text data into numerical features. Utilize n-gram from n to 2 to compare both unigram and bigram. Removed English stop keywords to improve the quality of features. Okay, yeah, basic representation, text representation, data pre-processing. Model building part. Now coming to model building, utilizing the three different classification algorithm: naive Bayes, logistic regression, and random forest. Evaluation matrix. Evaluate the performance of each matrix using accuracy score, F1 score, classification report, and confusion matrix. So these are different techniques we used for evaluation matrix to check how our model is performing. Okay. Interpretability with LIME. Okay. So employed LIME, what is called local interpretable model agnostic explanations to interpret the prediction of our models. Use the LIME text explainer to identify the words that are most influence in predicting the relevance. Visualization. So this is one tool. Okay. Visualize the explanation generated by LIME to gain insight into model decision making process. So output, these are output. If you let me show you, if this output is not able to more readable, so I can show you here. So the very first one is yes no relevance of this one. The second output, this one, you can see all the accuracy, micro average, weight, naive Bayes classifier, accuracy is 0.81 or F1 score is 0.90. Classifications of score also you can get from this idea. Third output screenshot, you can see document ID 140, and these are different details. Fourth one, local explanation of the class 0. Predictions probability, text with highlighted word. Okay. So these are different output we have achieved. Logistic regression, accuracy score 0.81, F1 score 0.88, it means 88%. Next one is class 0, local explanation of the class 0, and this one is once more prediction probability. Okay, so this different word. If we check about more algorithms, so there are random forest 0.81, F1 score 0.88. Okay, so document ID 140, local explanation of class for class 0. Okay, so these are different algorithm we have tried, right? So naive Bayes we have tried. Okay, logistic regression we have tried, and random forest. So for all these different of three algorithm, there are different output, right? So here is accuracy, here document ID, probability score, and these are different word predictions. These are local class, local explanation for the class 0, and text with highlighted word based on different algorithms. Okay, and finally, if we are working on machine learning, AI, or LLM based projects, you can contact us. We provide services like one-to-one mentorship or projects guidance, or maybe end-to-end project implementation, or even for development. If you talk about more specific, we offer different services. Like you can see, we offer coding and programming solutions, or maybe assistance or technical consultants. For a student who are working on programming assignment or coursework or even final year projects, so they can also get help from us. Our developer will help to complete your task. For developer who need to assistant with their specific programming tasks or projects, or maybe day-to-day tasks assigned in their job roles, so we can also we offer that health services as well. So you can take sessions from our expert who have already have done similar projects. Okay, maybe you are junior or senior developer, so that is not worry. So based on the whatever the expertise you are needed, so you can get one-on-one demo session, and based on that you can take long-term contract basis or daily 1 or 2 hour support as well. And finally, for businesses, if you are looking for develop productions level MVP product, MVP or POC, or maybe you want to hire our team for as a long term basis, so you can also reach out to us. Okay, so that's all the brief information about how we can help. Okay, so thank you everyone. Let's meet in another one.